Everybody, would you kid ya? Everybody won't give me bamboo. Would you kid ya? Everybody give me bamboo. What do you think? The 10 to 1 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a count to get you to focus a little bit, but it's also getting you in the number sequence, okay? And it also helps you understand, where you're going to go next. So let's say we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you go faster, you have to almost have it automatic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As I do that, what happens is it becomes automatic and I'm in more control and I don't panic when I'm in front of a crowd. Well, now we're going to go to the focus, and that was counting to 10 and back separately. I'm going to count to 10 and back simultaneously. 10, 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1, 10. Uh-oh, what just happened? I had to focus and learn it and practice it and practice it and learn it. And what I challenge you to do is go out there and try that, because you're going to have to be aware of the crowd while you're doing your auction. It also helps you to articulate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a lot of people, when you see them talking, they talk through their throats like this, and they say, I don't understand why y'all can't hear me out there. Well, you can't hear them because they're using their throat. Use your diaphragm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you use your diaphragm, you can articulate and practice on that and inflect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so that's what the 1, 2 count's going to help you with. And I've been lucky with that, and I think it'll be good for you.